Hi, I'm Paresh Patel, founder and CEO of PayRange.
And I'm Charles Lee, the founder and president of KioSoft.
Today, we're excited to share a major milestones for our two companies. This morning, we announced that PayRange has acquired KioSoft. This is an exciting next step for both of our companies as we combine our unique skill sets and complementary product offerings to transform the future of convenience in unattended retail. The unattended retail industry represents one of the last frontiers of digital transformation. By combining forces, we will deliver a more complete solution equipped to bring convenience to the millions of machines that have yet to be modernized. I founded PayRange to reinvent self-service commerce and simplify how people pay for everyday purchases. This acquisition moves us closer to realizing that future.
With this announcement, we move closer to accomplishing our shared vision of making everyday payments smarter, simpler, and more connected. PayRange's pioneering mobile-first payment platform has proven to be an industry game changer. It is a solution that customers trust and love, and that enhances our capabilities.
And KioSoft's sophisticated card payment solutions hardware, strong operator network, and manufacturing expertise empowers us to bring a more integrated solution to the market faster and with greater scale.
While our companies have different but complementary strengths, we come together with one shared vision: to accelerate the digital future of unattended retail by driving global scale and unlocking new possibilities for operators.
Put simply, if you're an operator, you'll receive even more robust solutions and simplified visibility into your operations. If you're a consumer, you will benefit from more digitally enabled machines, meaning greater convenience and a truly seamless experience.
I am delighted to be joining forces with you, Paresh, and the rest of PayRange team. Together, we are seizing an opportunity to accelerate a modern and convenient payment experience for the millions of consumers who use unattended retail machines every day. We are both relentless innovators, and we share a vision for the way forward that makes operations smoother, consumers happier, and revenue stronger.
At the heart of our companies, there's the same entrepreneurial spirit. We're looking forward to leveraging the skills and expertise of both organizations to modernize machines across the United States, Canada, and the world, all while delivering seamless service to our customers and new opportunities for our teams.
But this announcement is not just about our two companies. It's about pushing the unattended retail industry forward, accelerating the digital transformation, and bringing many more machines online. I will be joining PayRange as an investor and vice chairman of the board. Paresh and I both look forward to sharing more as we unleash the next wave of convenience for our customers, which will in turn unlock greater values for our operators and more opportunities for our employees.
Today, I'm reflecting on how far we've come and how much further we can go together. We are very excited for what the future holds for PayRange, our customers, and our employees. Thank you.